Modern science has given us so many inventions, and the computing machine is one of the most useful gifts from science. Nowadays, we do not only use computers for doing office work, but also many users use it for entertainment such as watching movies, playing video games, and doing multimedia related jobs. Fortunately, science has advanced computing technology over the years, and we can now have a laptop PC with powerful processors and great GPU. Acer is one of the most favorite gaming laptop manufacturers, and today we've selected Acer Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop for you.
Here we go.
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Acer Predator Helios 300 design follows modern artistry of product design. Any passionate gamer would love the ultra-modern look of the computer. It comes with a 15.6-inch diagonal full HD display with refresh rate all 144Hz. which should provide beautiful picture quality. The screen has 300 nit brightness and 72% NTSC that would make graphical output bright, a perfect display for playing video games. Predator Helios 300 is equipped with 6GB advanced NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti graphics, which would give you smooth gaming experience. The graphics card can generate over 100 FPS in games like Resident Evil 2. The computer comes with a 4.7 GHz Intel Core i7 processor, which ensures high-speed processing and makes the laptop a powerful one. Predator Helios 300 comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM with 2666 MHz memory speed, which assists in faster and smoother gaming. Although it has 256GB of PCI Express NVMe solid-state drive, it comes with an upgradation option along with a hard drive bay, so you can increase the storage size as per your requirement. The laptop has got a fantastic cooling technology. Its 4th generation Aeroblade 3D fan technology keeps the heat under control while you're busy playing your favorite game. The gaming platform is totally VR enabled. You can start experiencing VR gaming by plugging a VR headset. Helios 300 has got Max Waves audio technology, which enhances the audio output of the computer, and its backlit keyboard is excellent for playing games at night. We'll now investigate user reviews to find out what people are thinking about this fantastic laptop from Acer. The computer has got 4.5 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 1,855 users, which suggests that the laptop is recommended by many of its users for its brighter display, smooth gaming performance, and high-speed processing. Here are some real user comments. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "I'm very happy with this laptop. It's a daily used PC and it's fantastic. I'm unable to find any negatives at this time, and so far the 1660 Ti has been great." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "I absolutely love this product. It's an amazing laptop for an amazing price. I highly recommend it. But there's only one problem. The storage, it only comes with 256GB SSD, but still the laptop is amazing. Remember, just buy extra storage." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "On specs, this is an amazing laptop. It performed very well. However, turns out that the Acer Predator Helios 300 series has a history of BSOD black screens." That's all we have on the Acer Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.